Hello, my name is Phil Witherspoon. I'm a sales engineer for Rhino Toolhouse. First, I'd like to thank you for taking time to stop by today for just a few minutes as we discuss Cleco cell core tools. Our mission statement at Rhino Toolhouse is to identify and deliver the world's most innovative industrial solutions. Three things I'd like for you to consider today as we talk about cell core tools. One is productivity, two is quality, and three is safety. Before we start, I'd like to tell you a little bit about myself, what I do on the weekends. I'm a lead singer for a variety dance band. Back in the 70s, before cordless microphones became the common thing on stage, I was on stage using about a 50, 75-foot microphone cable. Late in the night, things were getting exciting with the crowd, and things were moving along well on stage. I was moving across the stage, and whoops, I tripped on my mic cable and ended up tangled up just like you see with the guy here in this picture. Well, that brings me to Cleco cell core tools. Cleco has developed the cell core tool, cordless tool, used as a standalone tool. It can also be used to transmit data back to the Cleco controller. There are 9 models of the tools, 5 in pistol grip with a range of 1.2 to 20 meters, 4 models with an angle tool with a torque range of 4.5 to 50 newton meters. Pistol grip tools, the 5 newton meter tool has a maximum speed of 2,480 RPMs. Right angle tool, 50 newton meter tool, or excuse me, the 50 newton meter tool, max speed of 570 RPMs. Cleco has spent a lot of time developing this tool. They are proud to say that it is easy to handle and hard to break. They've done durability tests of this tool with drop tests of up to 5 feet. Reliability, as far as the tool is concerned, you can go 500,000 cycles between maintenance. They're very ergonomic, and they are very repeatable. There's increased storage for the tool. You can hold up to 15,000 rundowns or about a week's time of rundowns. Here shows a chart showing the different models of the pistol grip and the right angle tool. As you can see, we have a model that is has a max of has a min of 1.2 to 4 newton meters, up to a tool which is 6.6 newton meters to 22 newton meters. The right angle tool, we start out with a 4.5 newton meter to a 15 newton meter tool, and the max tool is a 15 newton meter tool. As I was saying a little earlier, we can use the cell core tools in a standalone version, or we can also feedback the information real time to a controller. The M Pro 200 series controller is a new controller that they've come out with. It will handle up to 10 tools on one controller. You can transfer data via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Again, there's 3 things I was hoping you would think about during this time that I was speaking to you about cell core. One's productivity. You can see that using a cordless tool will give you a lot more flexibility as far as moving around your product. If you're building cars, building trucks, and you're constantly moving around the assembly line, the cordless tools will be helpful as far as productivity time and tack time, because you're not tethered down to an airline or a DC cable. As far as quality is concerned, the cell core tools are plus or minus 10% full range, so you'll be able to build a much better quality product with cell core DC electric tools. Safety-wise, I'd like you to consider the fact that you will not be dragging around a cable or an air hose, so you're taking out the trip hazard that would be involved as far as other tools are concerned. I want to thank you for stopping by today. I appreciate your time, And if you'd like more information about Cleco Cell4 tools or other products that Rhino Toolhouse we are currently representing, you can go to our website at www.rhinotoolhouse.com, or you can call us at 888-727-7882. Thank you very much for your time, and have a wonderful day.